Woody and I are gonna show you how to make Forky from Toy Story 4. Okay, Woody, let's get started. So we have our sporks. So if you're gonna make a bunch, if you have a Toy Story birthday, I'd recommend just going on Amazon and getting a box of sporks. We went all over town looking at fast food restaurants for sporks. We couldn't find any. So Amazon is the answer. Then I went to Hobby Lobby to get everything else. We got these googly eyes. We have red pipe cleaners for his wiggly arms. Popsicle sticks for his feet. Bonnie just breaks it in half. And then this is puff paint. You can get red and blue, and that's for his mouth and his unibrow. And to stick them all together, we have white Play-Doh. You probably have this at home, but our Play-Doh is all mixed together and it's pretty much brown with all the colors. So this is new white Play-Doh. And then lastly, Bonnie puts a little rainbow sticker on his foot. And then Forky is Bonnie's toy. So she puts her name on his foot, just like Woody. Let's start with the spork and put the eyeballs on. I'm just gonna use a low temperature glue gun to put the eyeballs on. So use an adult. Here we have it. He's looking good already. Now we're gonna break the popsicle stick for his feet. Okay, so we've got his feet. Before I put his feet on, I'm gonna write Robo's name on the foot. There we have it. So it's gonna be Robo's toy. Okay, for the arms and hands, just take a pipe cleaner and then just kind of fold the little fingers. He's got like 3 fingers. And then do a little zigzag like that. And he's got wiggly arms, and then do the other side. There you go. It's easier to do this first, and then you just kind of wrap it around Forky. And he's got silly arms. This is a great project for kids. If you're having a birthday party, just a kid's activity. And the kids love Forky in the movie. Okay, so we're gonna do his mouth and eyebrow. So take your blue puff paint and make like an open circle. And then just make like a circle for his mouth. It doesn't have to be perfect, just kind of a silly mouth. Okay, and then he's got a unibrow. So use the red for another squiggly line at the top. You look so silly. Okay, so then take your white Play-Doh and we're gonna stick them together. Take a big chunk, and then you put your feet together. You got your feet like this, and then you put the clay on top. I'm just gonna put the clay down and then stick the feet in. Like that, and that way he can stand up. Here we go. And then he becomes Forky. That's right, we forgot the rainbow. Okay, take your sticker. And that's how you make Forky. Have you seen Toy Story 4? We just love Forky. Well, Woody, what do you think? You like Forky? Yeah, we do too. We want to see your Forkies at home. Tell us in the comments below who your favorite character is.